Blame it on the goose, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drunk, got you in the zone. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol. She says she usually don't.
My head hurts. Oh shit! Michelle! Wake up! Michelle!
What time is it?
It's 8! You need to get in the shower. Oh God. What time is your interview?
It's at 9.
Well, you don't have much time. So if you're gonna barf, at least do it while you shower.
Oh. I can't do this.
Sure you can, hon. Well, whatever you need, I'll get you there.
No, I'm not going to be able to do it. I can't make it.
Maybe you need a little water, okay?
Girl, I'm so sorry about last night. I didn't plan on getting that drunk.
Okay. Here you go. Guess that isn't working. Okay, sweetie, you need to stop. Do you want me to get your clothes ready?
I feel a little bit better. I just want to go back to bed.
I know you do, but you have to go to this interview. Dog hair.
What?
Dog hair or whatever it's called.
What are you talking about?
Hairy dog. You know.
Are you talking about the hair of a dog?
That's it. Okay, we should get you drunk again. I mean, you always talk about how guys love you when you're drunk. So why shouldn't an interview be the same?
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
That might work. What do we have for booze?
Okay. Take that. All right. Now, you can do it. Just take a swig. It's easy.
Gina, I thought this was supposed to be for me.
I was just showing you what to do.
Well, of course I know what to do. How do you think we got here?
Yeah.
Gina, if we're both drinking, who's going to drive me to my interview?
Blame it on the goose, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drunk, got you in the zone.